Welcome to PRAYOG India Robotics, where innovation meets practical learning. We are not just a training institute. We are a technology-driven ecosystem dedicated to shaping the next generation of engineers, innovators, and problem solvers. At PRAYOG India Robotics, we specialize in delivering hands-on industry-oriented training in embedded systems, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, robotics engineering, drone technology, 3D printing. Our mission is to bridge the gap between theoretical education and real-world industry requirements. We don't believe in passive learning. We believe in learning by building, experimenting, and innovating. We provide a fully equipped technical environment designed for real-world exposure. Advanced electronics and embedded system lab, IoT development setup with cloud integration, robotics prototyping workstations, 3D printing and designing facility, high-performance Raspberry Pi and microcontroller labs. Every student gets access to tools and technologies used in real industry environments. We offer structured training and internship programs designed for students from diploma, B.Tech and technical backgrounds. Short-term skill development programs, 1 month, 45 days and advanced internship programs. Project-based learning modules, certification programs aligned with industry needs. Each program is carefully designed to ensure strong conceptual understanding, practical implementation, real project development experience. What makes us different? We don't just teach technology, we train students for real industry challenges. Our programs are aligned with current industry standards, real-time application development, problem-solving based learning, product development approach. Students work on live projects including smart IoT systems, automation solutions, AI-based applications, embedded products, prototypes. By the end of the program, students are not just learners, they become creators. One of our strongest advantages, every student gets their own individual training kit. We ensure that each student performs experiments independently. 100% hands-on involvement. Our kits include microcontrollers, Arduino, Node MCU, ESP32, ESP CAM, Raspberry Pi, sensors, modules, and actuators. Complete project building components. This ensures true practical knowledge, not just theory. At PRAYOG India Robotics, we are building more than skills. We are building confidence, innovation, and future-ready engineers. Whether you want to start your journey or advance your technical expertise, this is where your transformation begins. PRAYOG India Robotics. Learn, build, innovate.